Welcome all. So today's introduction is about my new book, which is by the name of Vashikaran and Spellbound. Okay, and this book was awaited from a very long time from many of you, and you really wanted me to write about Vashikaran, as to what kinds of Vashikaran are there, and different departments of Vashikaran and all of that. So this is a very, very helpful and realistic book for everybody who are looking for questions regarding Vashikaran or being spellbound, and how the mind is controlled, and how Vashikaran actually, the negative form of Vashikaran, can actually ruin your life and can actually have a major issues and create major issues in your life. This book is all about that. Okay, so people who are looking for questions, people who are curious about so many books and so many this thing, they tell me that we go through so many books of Vashikaran, Indrajal and all of that, and some of you who try to apply Vashikaran or go to a tantric to get the Vashikaran done on your partner or even on your business people, your enemies, why you should not be doing this, and how you should be protecting yourself from all these negative aspects of Vashikaran, is the format, is the content of this book, the main content of this book. All right, and also I have segregated the books into different departments, like career, Vashikaran on career, Vashikaran on your relationship, marriages, to your family bonding, and so many other things. Okay, and yes, this is actually been picked up, few of the topics have been picked up from the YouTube videos that I have made, but you people, because I really don't get the time to again repeat those same things for the book, because I take out books not for any commercial purposes, but just to give you a collective information in one place, which is called the book, or which is called these days, of course, it's an audio book. You can actually listen to those audios. So people who go through my videos, you would find the same topics of Vashikaran, which I've segregated, few of the topics which I've segregated on the YouTube channel. So but then once you hear it together in one series, it makes a huge impact on your mind and on even understanding patterns of your senses. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to, because so many love cases come to me, and so many Vashikaran removals, and even you want to do Vashikaran on your partner comes to me, and I always say that we don't do any Vashikaran, we only do removals of Vashikaran. Okay, so I have tried my best to explain as to what Vashikaran is, what spellbounding is. Okay, when somebody throws a spell on you, bounds you with a spell, what all can happen in different areas of your life. That's what the book is all about. So you can find the book on Amazon, you can find the book on the audiobook on Apple Music as well. Okay, the name of the book and the link of the book, I will be actually placing it in the description section of the YouTube channel of this video, in fact, and you can actually click and see. And even if you type on Google directly my name, Shweta Bisht, and the name of the book, that is Vashikaran Aka Spellbound, you will actually find this on Spotify and so many other platforms of the internet, the big platforms. So that's about it. I hope if people who are looking forward to hear this book and who have interest in this section, this is a true practical book that I've written that can be understood by everybody. So you can go on and purchase this book from Amazon and so many other places that I just mentioned, and even on Kindle for that matter, and then get to know about the different departments and different issues that Vashikaran has. Okay, so that's about it. I wanted to come on YouTube and inform about the new book which I have done. So next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.